In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up an MLA format paper in Google Docs. Start by heading over to docs.google.com and open up a blank document. Next, at the top toolbar, click on File, then click on Page Setup. Now from here, make sure that you set the margins to 1 inch on all sides. Then once done, click on the OK button. Next is set your font, so you can just click on this drop-down menu and look for Times New Roman. And for the size, set it to 12. And now for the spacing, click on Format, then click on Line and Paragraph Spacing. Then from here is choose Double. And now for the MLA header, click at the top. So in this area, you can just double click. Then next at the top toolbar, click on Insert. Then next is hover your mouse on page elements, then click on page numbers. And from the options, choose the one that puts the number in the top right. Next is type in your last name, then simply press the space button, and you should see something like this. And to make sure that your name and the page number is aligned to the right, simply highlight the text, then click on the Align and Indent drop-down button, then switch to Right Align. Once done, switch to the main document, and here simply type in your name, instructor's name, course, and date, then press Enter. And make sure that the title is at the center, so simply highlight the title, then align again on the center this time. And from there, make sure that you capitalize important words and don't bold or underline it. And just by that, you're officially in MLA format. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!